Oke. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now I can explain from and I want refresh presentation after 1 week ago. Now I can explain from empirism. What is empiricism? So empiricism is a philosophical approach that takes knowledge come mainly from our sensory experience. In simple terms, it means we learn and understand things that we see, hear, touch, and observe directly. It emphasizes observation and experimentation as the foundation of learning. I know that the, there there are there are three key thinkers who developed this story. No, this story, but this theory. And one, John Locke. John Locke believes that the human mind it's like a blank slate. Blank slate. It's a bird what he called tabula rasa, and that knowledge comes from experience. And number two, George Berkeley. You know Berkeley. George Berkeley is introduced the idea is ECS percipi. ECS percipi. ECS percipi for the apa ya? For the simple it's to be is to be perceived. In other words, something one only exists if experienced and perceived. And third, David Hume focus. David Hume, David Hume, David Hume, David Hume, they have key thinkers, and this theory is focused on imperception and ideas. He questioned cause and effect, saying we only believe in it because of repeated experience. Okay, and now I can explain for in education. In education, from empirism in college activity, we have hand-on learning. That means gaining knowledge by doing, observing, and experiencing things directly. We can see this approach in action during science experiments, using real tools or using tools in math lessons or even field trips or to historical sites. Okay, and now I can okay. From my experience during the presentation, during our presentation, I feel a bit nervous first. Feel a bit nervous at first. Nervous at first, but working with my teammate to prepare the material was actually I was bad from my presentation, and we had to do research, discuss the topic deeply, and observe how it connect to real life learning. Okay. After learning about empirism, I realized that gaining knowledge is about reading books or memorizing theories. I now see the importance of learning by doing and observing. I can I know that the strength from empirism is that it helps make learning more practical and connected to real life. But there are also some downsides, like ignoring ideas that might already exist in the mind or struggling with abstract concepts that aren't to observe. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.